your stock picks for today. Alex, where are you finding value?
So I'm actually currently looking at the Hoskin Consolidated as an idea, but within Hoskin, you get a business called Frontier Transport. And one of their biggest businesses is the Golden Arrow buses. Now, they're in the process of converting a lot of these diesel buses into electric buses. Now, end of this calendar year, they're going to have about 120 of those buses running. Now, the cost of running these buses compared to a diesel bus is substantially lower, as well as the maintenance of it could also be substantially lower. Only negative is, of course, its upfront cost a little bit higher, but they did get a very good deal of it. Now, the plan is that they're going to do about 60 of these buses per year, and it'll take them quite a while to actually do the whole fleet. But as this happens, you're going to see major savings on the cost. And I think it's not appreciated by the market. This stock is incredibly attractively valued. Dividend yield of pretty much close to 10%. It makes lots of cash. Yes, they're going a bit of a capex cycle, but I think after that, the earnings growth is going to surprise the market. And there's also rumors that Hoskin is perhaps looking to clean up the portfolio a little bit and try to unlock value. So something like a Southern Sun and perhaps even a Frontier could be in play. And that means that more institutional investors could potentially buy it at the later stage. And I think that's one of the main reasons why the stock is struggling at the moment, because there's lack of liquidity available for big investors. So that could change. But overall, I like the theme, and I think it's not one that's discussed often on the show.
All right. Very interesting. Chantal, where are you finding opportunity today?
Yeah, so an area of the market that I've been seeing value in for the last few weeks has been the software services side, particularly in the US. The big software services guys, so Adobe, ServiceNow, Salesforce, these companies have come under so much pressure from a share price perspective, not having benefited at all from the AI thematic, and instead being viewed as possibly being replaced easily because of the AI story. But the reality is that these companies are in their own right investing in their AI capability and tools. They own huge amounts of data, which I think is a competitive advantage in this space. And they have a very loyal client base where these offerings and systems are entrenched within the way that these companies are doing business. So today I'm going to pick Adobe. They released results overnight. They were really good results. And the share price was not up 20% like it would have been if NVIDIA released really good results. The share price was up by 2%. The stock still trades on a 14 times forward PE, which is exceptionally cheap for a tech stock in the US. And you can buy Adobe on the JSE using the FNB listed ETN. So you can buy it locally or you can buy it internationally. But I think it's just a compelling value opportunity at the moment.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, Chantal and Alex. Really, really appreciate your analysis and making us smarter today. Well, thanks to my guests, Alex Duys from Umthombo Wealth and Chantal Marx from FNB Wealth and Investments. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.
Stockwatch is brought to you by Merchant West. Where others stop, we push further. Because we believe business as usual doesn't lead anywhere new. Go beyond with Merchant West. Finance, invest, insure.